In today's video, I'll teach you how to log into Steam. So if you want to log into Steam, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome, or you can also open the Steam application if you want. If you have opened the browser, click on the search bar and type in this link, store.steampower.com/login. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Steam. You can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can either sign in with your account name or you can also sign in with the QR code if you want. If you want to use the QR code, you'll have to use the Steam mobile app in order to sign in via QR code. If you want to sign in by providing your credentials, what you have to do is enter your account name and password. So click on the field of account name. After you do that, what you have to do is enter your account name over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you want this browser to remember you, check on this box remember me that you can see on the screen. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Steam. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.